This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll show you how to find covariance in Excel 2013. Covariance is a measure of how two random variables vary together. It's similar to variance, but variance measures how one variable varies, and covariance measures how two variables vary together. I've entered my data into two columns, my x variables and my y variables, and I want to see how are these related. Click the Data tab, click Data Analysis, choose Covariance and click OK. I'm going to select my whole data set. I've grouped my columns. I do have labels in first row, so I'm going to check that box. And my output range, I want my output to appear somewhere next to my data. Click OK. And this is the answer I'm interested in, that 410. That is my covariance. What does the covariance mean? Well, a positive covariance means there's a positive relationship between the two variables, and a negative covariance would mean there's a negative relationship between the two variables. Other than that, you can't really tell too much. A high covariance doesn't necessarily mean that there is a high correlation between the two sets. Another useful tool is run the data analysis again, but look at correlation for the two sets. I'm going to choose a different output area right underneath. Click OK. And here's my correlation coefficient, 0.987. That correlation coefficient tells me that not only are the variables related, but they're highly, strongly related. The maximum value a correlation coefficient can take on is 1, so 0.987 is very close to 1, so they're highly correlated. That high covariance, on the other hand, doesn't tell me how strong the relationship is. It only tells me that there is a relationship. The covariance will increase with larger x and y values, so that covariance of 410 in a different data set with different values would not mean the same thing. It might not necessarily be strongly correlated. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more articles and videos on Excel, elementary statistics, and AP statistics.